Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set swipe gestures in Samsung phone. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go to the setting. You have to press the setting, then you see here display, so you have to press this display. So you have to come down, so you see here navigation bar, so you have to press this one. So you see here swipe gesture, so you have to press this one. So you have to wait for a minute. So it is done now. So no button has been removed. So what you need to do is you have to swipe up like this. So it is done now. So friends, before you leave this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.